In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Zoho Mail plan. Whether you're looking to access more features, need additional storage, or simply want to make sure your email service grows alongside your needs, upgrading your Zoho Mail plan is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step, providing tips along the way to ensure a smooth transition. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to mail.zoho.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to enter your credentials to access your account. If you have your login details saved in your browser, it should be a quick and seamless login. Once you're in, take a moment to glance around your dashboard. Note the layout and how your emails and folders are organized in case there are any differences after your upgrade. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot your profile icon. It's typically an avatar or circle with your initials. Clicking on this icon will open up a small drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see the option labeled Upgrade. Go ahead and click on this option to proceed with upgrading your plan. You will then be presented with a variety of plan options. Here's a quick overview of your choices. The Lite plan is great if you need a basic set of features. The Premium plan offers a more robust set for those with greater demands. And the Workplace plan is ideal for larger teams requiring comprehensive collaboration tools. Additionally, there are storage add-ons if you find yourself needing more space rather than new features. Think about your email habits and future needs, and choose accordingly. If you're unsure, remember you can always adjust your plan later if necessary. With your desired plan selected, continue to the payment screen. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any disruption in the upgrade process. Take a minute to double-check your entries. A small oversight can lead to delays or errors. If you're using a corporate card or handling this on behalf of your organization, ensure you have the necessary permissions and that the card used is approved for such transactions. Once everything looks good, submit your payment information. After your payment processes, you should receive a confirmation email from Zoho Mail. This email will confirm that your upgrade was successful and provide details about your new plan. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what your upgraded Zoho Mail plan includes so you can take full advantage of the new features and options at your disposal. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your Zoho Mail plan. Now, you can enjoy enhanced features, greater storage, and improved performance tailored to support your evolving needs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.